My name's Alex Armstrong. I'm the Community Relations and Communications Coordinator for Canada Nickel. My background's in mining engineering, and this just seemed like the facet of the industry that was right for me. I live in Timmins now, and I've loved having the chance to be a part of this community, and I'm really trying to make that a part of my role for community relations and communications. Canada Nickel's really trying to take a new approach to community engagement, not just trying to meet regulatory requirements, but really taking it to that next step. We're doing a multi-phase approach, the first of which started back in the early summer, talking to Indigenous communities as well as the communities neighboring our project. It's been a number of presentations introducing who we are, what the Crawford Project is, and where we're looking to take this. We're moving into the second phase of our project now for community engagement, and that's more detailed presentations and hopefully moving into wider community gatherings where it's just a casual opportunity for community members to voice their questions and concerns about the project and for us to really have those sometimes difficult conversations. Canada Nickel is trying to be very transparent about the information that we're sharing. The goal is that we can reach a wide range of community members to share that transparent, detailed, informative information about the project, and to have that opportunity to take in community feedback and to use that to build our project moving forward. Having a good relationship with Indigenous communities is extremely important to any project and is definitely a priority for us. We're having very constructive conversations with the Indigenous communities that have been engaged with our project and ensuring that they can have an input on where we take this operation and that in turn we can develop an effective and constructive community contributions program.